Hello guys, this is Boy TV. Welcome back to another amazing video on my YouTube channel. Don't mind my voice, please. You guys should not mind my voice. I'm a bit under the weather. Yeah. So I want to talk more about this particular platform because I shared this platform to you guys a month or two ago, and you guys have been taking it as a joke. Many of you are going to regret if you do not dive into this platform as soon as possible. This platform is not a platform, it's not those Ponzi scheme that you will get into today. In a week or two time they will start telling you stories and so when I share this platform to you guys on my YouTube channel, they were having a 152 million liquidity. I'll show you guys that in a bit. They were having, I think, 152 million liquidity, but currently they are now having 189 million liquidity. From 152 million to 189 million. Millions of people have dived into this platform in the past 1 or 2 weeks. In the past 1 or 2 months without looking backward. All right, and I just placed a withdrawal here this evening rather. This is 6 p.m. This is 7 p.m. rather. This is 7 p.m. I just placed a withdrawal here this afternoon. So if you look right here, this is the message icon that they sent me. If you look here, I have a message that is not here read. So if you click on the message now, you will see the withdrawal I placed on today. You can see it's just, I know it's quite small, but it's just about 1.2 USDT. But the previous one I placed on the day I introduced this platform to you guys is 2 USDT. That was on the 5th of December. So I placed this one today. You can see the date here. So this platform is basically a crypto service and crypto investment platform. This is my account, all right? This is my account on this particular platform. So if you come here, you can see places that say recharge, withdraw, loop, saving box, my team, activity zone, white paper, and the security audit. All right. So you can see there are different types of activity which one can perform here and get and start making money. I believe you guys know what is recharge and what is withdraw. Then let's talk about these two. Let's talk about these two that are loop and saving box. All right. So let me start with saving box. This one here, this particular one here. Let me start with loop. So let me start with loop. Loop is basically where you loop. Let me tick on it and show you guys an example. Loop is basically when you loop money. All right, when you loop, let me say you are to loop 100 USDT for example. So you are to loop 100 USDT for example. In a day you'll be getting 103. Let me just be frank with you guys. If you loop this 100 USDT for example now, tomorrow by 7 p.m. in the evening, which is on the 9th of February 2026, you are going to be getting extra 3 USDT plus your 100 USDT. That if you are looking for a day, you can see this white stuff here is under the 1 day. All right. So if you are looking for 10 days, for example, you'll be getting 230 USDT with your 100 loop, with your 100 USDT loop. All right, which means at the end of 10 days you will withdraw your 100 USDT plus another 130 USDT without any withdrawal charges fee. Yes, I have made withdrawal twice on this platform, and they never charge me for any withdrawal fee. Yeah, they never charge me for any withdrawal fee. Then if you are looking for 5 days, then your 100 USDT will generate you 140 USDT. That means your 100 USDT plus extra 40 USDT. So I would advise you to go for higher amount. So if you know you want to do this, let me say you have 200 USDT for example, 200 USDT, and you are going for 5 days. So if you have 200 USDT, I would advise you to go for 10 days, then that's 460 USDT. Then you withdraw all your money and leave the site. But mind you, this site is not a site that will crash soon. Not one of those sites that when you dive into them, they'll start telling you stories that touches the heart. No. So if you go back to savings boss, let's go to savings boss because we just came out from loop. So in savings boss, you save here. What you do is basically saving of crypto, right? Yeah, here you save crypto. You understand? You save crypto here. So the amount of crypto you save determine how much you are going to accumulate in the next 24 hours. You understand? So that is what. So you can just scroll down here if you are new here. But if you have registered on this platform and you have not done anything here, please, mind you, I want to urge you to go and deposit money here and start making money, because I have been occupied. I have been occupied with things. So that's why I have not been making video for you guys. You understand? So if you click on savings right here, you can see then let me say I want to save 50 USDT, for example. 50 USDT in the next 24 hours, right? In the next 24 hours, the minimum service here is just 10 USDT. In the next 24 hours, the 50 USDT will generate me 1.5 USDT. That means in 10 days, I'm going to be getting extra 15 USDT plus this 50 USDT. That is 65 USDT. Then you can go ahead and withdraw everything. If you have registered here and you have not done anything here, it's a pity to you, because you are missing something you don't know. You're missing something huge and you don't know. This year have just 11 months to go, and I don't know if you have been working on your goal, or you have started working on your goals. So let me know down in the comment section if you are facing any challenges in this particular platform. I will reach out to the customer care. I have the developer, the dev, me and the developer of this platform. We have spoken one-on-one. You understand? I have the dev. If you reach out to the customer care and they respond, if you have any challenges and you reach out to the customer care and the response they give to you, you are not fully satisfied with it, just let me know down in the comment section or my WhatsApp channel. I will reach out to the developer myself and lay my complaint to him. All right. This is a Hong Kong. He's a Hong Kong man. Yeah. This platform is owned by a Hong Kong developer. Yeah. So let's go back to my YouTube channel. Let me show you guys when I posted this video. Where's my YouTube? So this is my YouTube here. This is my YouTube here. You can see when I posted this video, it was okay, you can see it right here. It was 152 million liquidity when I posted this update. Can you see it? 152 million liquidity. And 2 weeks after, I still made another video when they were approaching 160 something million liquidity. And currently, so sorry guys, I told you guys I'm a bit under the weather. And currently, they are now 180 something, or how many? Let's go back to that platform again. Please, if you are opening up and you encounter something like this, let me see if it's going to pop up. Okay, it didn't pop up. Okay, now they are currently at 189 million liquidity, from 152 million liquidity to 189 million liquidity. So if you have not started investing or saving your USDT or crypto in this platform, you are wasting your time and your money. Yeah. Because that money you are saving in Trust Wallet, in Bybit, in BitGet, in OKS, it will never multiply. Yeah, you don't save your money, you invest it. So this is one of the best platform that you need to invest your money in. So if you click on recharge, you can see different methods in which you can use to recharge your account. You can see BEP20 USDT, TRC20 USDT, TRX, and BNB, BEP20 USDT, Polygon USDT, Ethereum USDT, Polygon USDT, and so on. So look at the money I withdraw 5 minutes ago. It's here. You can see it in my wallet.com. So you can see it here. It's just 1.2 USDT. So if you go to message here, you see it is also 1.2 1.25 USDT. Sorry, yeah. So you can see it here, 1.25 USDT, and what is here is 1.25 USDT. So dive into it. I'm going to be leaving the link to the on the comment section. Use my referral code so that you can get 1 or 2 USDT welcome bonus when you. I'm going to be leaving the link on the video description, and I'm going to be leaving my invitation or referral code in the video description as well and the comment section. Use it and get 1 or 2 USDT welcome bonus once you use my referral code. Right? I'll be leaving you guys here, and I'll be hoping to see you on my next video. Make sure you like this video, share to friends, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that when I post an amazing video like this, YouTube will notify you and you come and watch and gain from it. See you guys in my next video. Peace.